part 2. Okay, tingin mo na. There we go, you can see. I just fixed it. Ito, nilabas na lang ito ng part 1. Tapos ginupit natin yung part 2. Na ulit. Let's take a two. Oh. Ooh. Ang tunas. Gawin. Says clean. I didn't make this. It's just open. Sit, not. But I can color it black. But I still. Let's cut the wet. Wait, let's wait. Let's dry it first.
Inaari naman yung pagkakamali ka. Oh. Sabi yung pupunta yun.
Tay, video na.